Mount Etna, the fiery giant nestled deep in the heart of the Italian island of Sicily, once again showed its most ferocious face in early 2026. Europe's most active volcano erupted with a force that shook the sky and earth, spewing incandescent lava, volcanic ash, and toxic gases that plunged the surrounding area into darkness. This eruption was not simply a natural event, but a terrifying reminder that humans are but fragile guests before the Earth's primordial forces. A video widely circulated on social media depicted a scene that almost felt like the end of days. From Etna's snow-capped summit, fiery red lava flowed rapidly down the slopes, incinerating and melting the ice that had been frozen for years. As the hot lava came into contact with the snow, thick white steam billowed into the air, creating a scalding haze that looked like the breath of death slowly consuming the mountain. The night sky turned into a canvas of horror. Boiling blood-red lava mixed with the fine white snow and ash, creating a stark contrast that pierced the eyes. Every second, a low rumble came from the bowels of the earth, as if Mount Etna were growling, enraged, and unable to contain itself any longer. A light-filled fissure appears to open in the mountainside, a slow but unstoppable flow of magma sweeping everything in its path. What makes this scene even more terrifying is the presence of humans amidst this ferocity. In the video, several skiers glide down the slope at night, illuminated only by their small, fragile headlamps compared to the vast sea of lava that surrounds them. Their silhouettes appear like dark shadows that could disappear at any moment if the mountain decides to rampage further. Every ski step feels like a life or death gamble, where a small mistake could result in unimaginable tragedy. Billowing volcanic ash makes the air increasingly suffocating, while the pungent smell of sulfur seems to penetrate the lungs. Residents near the mountain report living in a state of anxiety, hearing constant, small booms in the distance, waiting to see if the eruption will stop or escalate into a greater catastrophe. What should have been a tranquil night has become a hellish stage, illuminated by the unquenchable glow of lava. The eruption of Mount Etna is not only a rare natural phenomenon, but also a terrifying spectacle that treads a fine line between beauty and destruction. Behind the enchanting scenes on screen, a deadly threat lurked, capable of claiming lives at any moment, reminding the world that the forces of nature can never be completely conquered by humans. As with previous eruptions, volcanic ash spewed mercilessly, blotting out the sun and turning day into pitch-black night. The sky burned blood red and death gray. The stench of sulfur pierced the nostrils, making breathing difficult, as if the air itself had been poisoned. The rumbling from the mountain's bowels sounded like the roar of a trapped creature, angry and thirsty. Incandescent lava flowed down the mountainside like a river of fire, incinerating everything in its path. Hot rocks flew, crashing into the ground, and buildings with deafening explosions. Trees ignited instantly, turning into brittle black shadows. The ground cracked and shifted, swallowing roads, fields, and hopes in one searing breath. Residents in nearby villages ran in panic, their faces covered in ash, their eyes filled with unspoken fear. The cries of children mingled with the screams of sirens, creating a symphony of horror that echoed at the foot of the mountain. Every step felt like a race against death, as Etna showed no mercy to anyone who fled too late. Ash fell relentlessly, covering rooftops, vehicles, and human bodies like a gray shroud. Each drop was hot and sharp, eroding skin and hope. From a distance, Mount Etna seemed alive, breathing, raging, and asserting its power over the small, fragile humans. This eruption was a terrifying reminder that nature is never truly tame. Beneath its beauty lurked a primordial fury that could awaken at any moment. Mount Etna once again showed its true face, not just a mountain, but an ancient monster rising to engulf the world around it in fire, ash, and fear.